Worrying about your hair can be very stressful. Factor in all the treatments and the cost quickly rises. Some treatments don't even work either. Many people are now turning to natural remedies to help with their hair. This is where guava leaves come in. Guava leaves are thought to help with up to 3 different hair problems. Guava is considered one of the healthiest fruits on our planet. It is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and flavonoids. Guava leaves are also high in these and very beneficial, which has seen a big rise in their use for many beauty routines. Guava leaves benefits can include hair repair and regrowth. Here are 5 ways you can use guava leaves to help improve your hair. Number 1. Guava leaves water for hair growth. Using water made from guava leaves has many benefits. These include conditioning the hair to promote hair growth. When this water is used as a hairspray, it gives significant results in promoting hair growth by increasing the blood flow in the scalp and nourishing the scalp. The vitamin C in guava leaves water boosts collagen activity and hair growth. Vitamin B helps build hair strands and strengthen the scalp, both of which are essential for hair growth. So, using guava leaves for hair growth will not disappoint you. Here's how to make water from guava leaves. Add guava leaves to a pan of water and boil for 20 minutes. Strain the water and let it cool. Now, transfer this water into a spray bottle and mist your scalp and hair. You can apply a moisturizing lotion to the hair after applying the mist. Number 2. Guava leaves with coconut oil. Coconut oil is loaded with essential vitamins, protein, and fatty acids. These help to nourish the scalp and aid hair growth. Guava leaves are packed with vitamin B, especially riboflavin and niacin. These are known to boost hair growth. Coconut oil and guava juice for hair are a powerful combination to stimulate hair growth. You can also use another powerful hair growth booster to this combination, which is onion juice. Onions are rich in sulfur that nourishes hair follicles that produce hair cells. Coconut oil, guava juice, and onion juice together make a powerful hair growth pack. Here's how to do it. Take a handful of guava leaves and blend them into a fine paste. Take 1 onion and extract juice from it by blending and straining. Mix guava leaves paste with onion juice and coconut oil thoroughly to form a smooth paste. Apply this mixture to your scalp. You are massaging the scalp well. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild cleanser. Number 3. Guava leaf oil for hair. Guava oil for hair is made from steam distillation of guava leaves. This guava leaf essential oil has many health and beauty benefits. For hair care, this oil is being used to treat many scalp infections, inflammation, dandruff, itchy scalp, etc. Guava leaves are a great antioxidant that clears the free radicals and makes the scalp and hair healthy. The high nutrient value of this oil promotes healthy and strong hair. Thus, guava oil benefits for hair health are essentially many. Here's how to use guava leaf oil. Heat some guava leaf oil until it is warm. Apply this oil on your scalp by gently massaging your scalp. Make sure to cover the entire scalp and hair strands from root to tip. Cover your head with a thick towel and leave it for 1 hour. Wash off with mild herbal shampoo. Number 4. Guava leaf tea for hair loss. The best and easiest application of guava leaves for hair fall treatment is with tea. Using guava tea for hair loss has major benefits. It benefits blood circulation and deeply nourishes the hair follicles and strengthens them. Vitamin B helps in nourishing the hair and preventing any hair breakage. Vitamin C helps in producing collagen, which builds the hair protein and strengthens the roots, preventing hair loss significantly. Add guava leaves to a pan of water and boil for 20 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool. Massage the scalp with the above tea, reaching all the areas deeply. Also, make sure to apply it to the hair strands from root to tip. Leave it for 2 hours. Wash off with warm water. Number 5. Guava leaves powder for hair. Guava leaves powder is the powder of dried guava leaves. This leaves powder is equally nutritious and beneficial for hair like fresh guava leaves. Lemon juice is rich in minerals, vitamins, flavonoids that improve hair and scalp health and promote hair growth. It also has deep cleansing properties that keep the scalp clean from dirt and grease. Lemon juice and guava leaves paste for hair have many benefits like controlling dandruff, scalp infections, oily hair, and promoting hair growth. Mix guava leaves to powder and lemon juice to form a fine paste. Apply this guava leaves hair mask on the scalp with your fingers. Massage the scalp for 5 minutes, making sure that it reaches the entire scalp and hair strands from root to tip. Leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair, preferably with a mild hair cleanser. If you try some of these methods, you must be consistent with them. Don't expect to see any results immediately or with minimum use.